Welcome to Stockman Original, your guide through the lost arts and the forgotten crafts. I am Max. This is Brian, the original Stockman. We're joined today by the Farrells. They're going to help us out with the drawing.
Cheers
that is
on.
what we are here for.
Yes,
So
this is today.
today is the day we're doing the drawing for
The Scrimshaw kit, Rough Rider knife Scrimshaw kit. We did a little show on that, and you guys were so good about all your comments and checking us out and everything, and made this a real fun adventure. Looking forward to seeing who ends up with it.
Yeah. Why don't you show the extra things that you put in?
yeah. Well, if you're paying attention to this, you probably saw the actual review. You get a nice knife that's really well put together, plus you get all this fun. And we have the knife. Came with a knife with two nice bone scales, and I demonstrated scrimshawing a whale on the one side and left the other side nice and clear for you to play around with it. And we did determine that this was a beginner's introductory kit. And just to get you, so, you know, if you like doing it from this kit, which was, how much was it?
$20 on Amazon, so very affordable.
Yeah, so, you know, that's a pretty good introductory price. If you don't like doing it after the fact, you just, what have you lost? Not that much. But I've added a piece of bone to practice or play around with. I've added some real piece of steel wool, and in here, in the book here, I got you 3 sheets of sandpaper. You won't need this on the knife, but you will on the bone. I figure, well, I'm giving you the bone, I had to give you some sandpaper too. Oh, haha. And this bottle actually has liquid ink in it. So
That was almost the only downside to this whole kit, was that the ink had dried out in the bottle that they sent.
And we did hear from one of our tribe, and he said he had gotten the same kit and with the same bottle of dry ink. So it's got to be something defective with the seal on the bottle that it dried out, or it's 100 years old.
Yeah, but that's a problem that's easily solved.
Yeah, ink is obtainable almost anywhere, and I think everything else is as it was in the kit. You got your template if you want to use them. The whale that I used is in the kit as well. Everything that came with it's in it, and a few things extra.
All right, so drum roll. Captain Farrell, would you like to come over and draw from the?
Yeah, we've got
come
an
right here.
impartial.
This is
puller
so
of
that you
tickets.
know that we're
He's not impartial. Impartially impartial.
Yeah, he's gonna draw it, and it's gonna say the winner is Captain Farrell. How did that happen?
Yeah.
It's just luck of the draw.
Luck of the Irish.
It's the good drawing.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yes. Good luck.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Good luck to all and everyone.
Yes.
May the fates always shine.
Now I feel the winner coming out.
So what we did was we printed out every single comment to enter the drawing. You had to comment on the video, and then we cut them out and put them in here. All right, Captain Farrell, drum roll.
There you go.
All right, here we go. David Moore.
Nice. What did David say?
Thanks for sharing. Not the longest comment, but highly effective.
David, you're welcome. And so what I will do is I will reply to your comment and say, you're the winner. And then you need to contact us so that we can get your mailing address and mail this to you. Thank you to everyone,
Absolutely.
not only for commenting and being part of the drawing, but for subscribing to our channel and being part of our tribe. Here's to
Salute.
Salute. Congratulations, David. Hey, I can't salute anyone.
you.
Oh, that's a shame.
Who's the bartender around here?
Wow, geez.
Can we just film us saluting everybody already?
Yeah.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Well,
That's how the magic's done, Dad.
there's a good dose of fun involved.